Alright guys, Chris here. So today I'm going to be fishing Aldridge Creek. It's been a while since I actually fished this location. I did attempt to fish it last week, but my allergies were killing me, so I ended up fishing for about 30 minutes and ended up leaving. I did catch a few sunfish though in that time period. So today I'm back. I'm just going to be switching it out and see what different species I can pull out of here. I still have a little bit of redworms left, so I'm probably going to just try to finish up using those today. And other than that, I'm going to use artificials, but I'm going to go ahead and start off throwing a small artificial shad style bait and then switch it up. Oh no, I had something. Shoot, there's a bunch of sunfish under this tree right here. Try to target them. There we go. Oh my gosh, now they're going to be scared off. Shoot. So the sunfish in the middle don't want to bite, but the ones under this tree. There we go. Don't come off. Ah, yes, there we go. Nice little green sunfish. Alright, first species of the day, little green sunfish. The ones swimming into the tree seem willing to take the lure. The ones in the middle don't. So I'm going to keep targeting the ones under the tree, seeing how many different species are over there. Let's let this guy go.